Hello friends, welcome to Curry Corner. Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous VINAYAGAR Chathurthi or Ganesh Chaturthi. Please watch the full video, like, comment and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Today on this special occasion, I'm going to make prashad for Lord Ganesha. I'm going to show you 4 different types of kozhukattais using one base. I have used idiyappam flour to make this tasty kozhukattais. Here I am taking 2 cups of idiyappam flour. To make this dough we need a really very hot boiling water. Add a very little pinch of salt to this and mix well. Now start adding the water little by little. Don't add all the water at a time, then it will become soggy. So you have to add very little water. Since the water is really very hot, I am using a spoon here to prepare this dough. Keep doing like this and you can stop the process once you feel that the water is enough to make this dough. Now this is all done. So close it with a lid and let it rest for about 10 minutes and come to room temperature. It has come to room temperature after 10 minutes now. So apply some oil on palm and rub it like this so that it won't stick on your hands. And now you can start kneading the dough like this. Keep kneading like this until it becomes a soft dough like a chapati dough. The dough is soft and ready. Now we can start making small rice balls out of this. Apply some more oil to avoid sticking on hands. Take a small portion from the dough we prepared earlier and make a desired shape like this. Repeat the process to make like this. I'm going to use electric cooker to steam these rice balls. You can also use any steamer or idli plates to steam these rice balls. So it is all ready now. So I'm going to steam these rice balls for about 10 minutes. So I have set the electric cooker here and the water is boiling inside. Now the water is boiling, so I'm going to place the tray inside this cooker and going to steam it for about 10 minutes. Now the tray is inside. I'm going to close with the lid and going to set it for the steamer. After 10 minutes, once the pressure is out, it is ready now. I am going to use this to make different types of kozhukattais. It is really very soft. First, I am going to make Paal kozhukattai. You can also use this steamed rice balls, but I am going to make it in a different way. To make this Paal kozhukattai, I am using the remaining dough we prepared earlier. I am making in 2 different shapes to make Paal kozhukattai. One is straight and the other one is in round shape. So keep doing it like this. So this is all done. So I'm not going to steam this like the previous one. I'm going to use jaggery syrup to make this Paal kozhukattai, which I have prepared earlier. In a pot, add 2 cups of water and let it boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the prepared rice balls inside. After adding this, keep it on a low flame and let it cook for about 10 minutes without disturbing. It will dissolve if you put a spoon inside in this stage. It should be like this for at least 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, see, it has become glossy and has cooked now. Now in this stage I'm going to add jaggery syrup. So here I am adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of jaggery syrup. Adding jaggery syrup is according to your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well and let it boil for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now add half cup of thick coconut milk to this and let it boil. Now it is ready to be served. Our delicious Paal kozhukattai is ready now. Now the second one is sweet mani kozhukattai. Let's see how to make it. I'm going to use the steamed rice balls which we prepared earlier to make this mani kozhukattai. First I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee to a pan. Once it is melted, add a handful of cashew nuts and roast it till it becomes golden brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and also roast it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Once it is done, add the jaggery syrup. Since I have taken 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, I am using 2 tablespoons of jaggery syrup to this and mix well. Now add the steamed rice balls to this and mix well. Just keep it on a low flame to make this, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. So now add cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon and mix well. Very delicious sweet mani kozhukattai is ready to be served. The next one is savory type mani kozhukattai. For this, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil to that. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. When it's fluttered, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and red chilies and curry leaves. Add a pinch of asafoetida to this. Mix well and add the steamed rice balls. Keep mixing it. In this stage, if you want to add salt, you can add accordingly. Now add the grated coconut, which is about 1 or 2 tablespoons, and mix well. Savory coconut mani kozhukattai is ready now. Next one is spicy coconut mani kozhukattai. To make this, I have saved from the previously prepared kozhukattai. This is the spice powder I am going to sprinkle on top of this kozhukattai. To make the spice powder, I have used 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 3 red chilies and 1 teaspoon of cumin. I have dry roasted and powdered it. I am going to use the same one which I have prepared earlier as a base and going to make it spicier. Add the spice powder to this and give it a good mix. It's already dry roasted, so you don't have to cook it for a long time. So just give a good mix for about 1 or 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Now the spicy mani kozhukattai is also ready now. Using 1 idiyappam flour, I have made 4 different types of kozhukattais for this Ganesh Chaturthi. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do try all these varieties of kozhukattais and make this occasion very special. Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous Ganesh Chaturthi. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Thank you. Bye.